How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your phone. Make sure that you sign into your account. Proceed by tapping profile icon at bottom right. Once on the profile, navigate to edit profile button. Scroll down and locate pronouns. Currently, it has been set to Morse. You can tap pronouns. Delete the current one by tapping the cross mark next to the pronoun. Now you can first choose the language in which you find convenient like Spanish, Portuguese, French and many more. For me it's English. Now you can add a pronoun. Once done, if you wish to show to followers, only toggle the button on and only people who follow you will see your pronoun. Tap on the tick mark at top right and with that you will successfully add pronouns to your Instagram profile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.